Welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation for raising your vibrational frequency to a frequency of pure unconditional love. Everything in the universe is made up of energy vibrating in a certain frequency. Emotions can affect how our energy vibrates. A low vibration is associated with negative emotions and depression, whereas a high vibration is connected to feelings of love and happiness. So let us strive to become happier and more positive on a regular basis, so that our energy can be on a high frequency of divine love and joy. So find a comfortable meditation posture and then close your eyes. Take a deep breath to clear your mind and body. So inhale deeply all the way down into your stomach and exhale fully, letting go of negativity and worries. Continue to breathe calmly and deeply, allowing yourself to relax and to simply enjoy this meditation. Now in your mind's eye, see someone you hold dear, someone you truly love. This could be your spouse, your child, your parent, grandparent, or whomever brings a feeling of pure love into your heart. See this person in front of you. See them smiling with the kindest and warmest smile. Open your heart and allow yourself to feel so much love and compassion for that person. Remember why you love them so much, how important they are to you, and how much you appreciate having them in your life. Fill your heart with pure unconditional love for that person, and notice how light and blissful your heart feels. Be open to love, to spread love and receive love, and let this pure love raise your vibration, lifting your spirit and brightening your day. Now say to that person out loud or in your head, I love you so much. Then breathe in deeply and then slowly open your eyes. Keep this strong feeling of love in your heart and then go about your day with an open heart and a positive mindset. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Please share your thoughts in the comments field below. I am jbittersweet, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.